got from Michael's. And overall, this whole experience on this thing, I would have to say that, you know, I would pass on any of these things, and I would not buy this again, and I do not recommend any of this Amazon kit to anybody. What is going on, guys? Caleb here today. In today's video, I'm going to be attempting to pull out a dent with this $35 Amazon kit. What was included in the kit was this little pull-up hammer thing. It came with these little tabs, and I had to buy this separately because this did not come in the kit, so I got this from Michael. It ran me about $10 for both items. And how this works is I grab the little heat gun, I put on this tab, and this tab goes onto the dent, and when it dries up, I'm supposed to pull it out. It's over here, and as another dent that it's right here as well. Look how sexy this thing looks, man. This shit is sick, especially in this guard metallic color. I believe it was only on the 2016 models, but this fucking color is fucking sick. Right now when the sun goes dark, it's gonna look gray, and then at night it's gonna look black. This has 3 different shades of colors, and if you guys are gonna get a stain, you have to get in this color. So I got lucky with that. But yeah, I'm gonna remove this ugly ass dealer plate that says Russell Westbrook on it. Damn, that shit looks a whole lot better than before. That shit looks crazy, man. It looks like I'm ready to get pulled over with that. But if they do, you know, I'm gonna be recording anyways. Anyway, weirdo. Okay, so we're gonna use these 2 ones right here, and they're the smallest ones of the bunch. And I think we're gonna start out with the bigger one right here, so that way we can get most of it out. And then we can start out with the smaller one, probably maybe pull the center out more. I think this is how you do it. I never used it, but there it is. It went on there pretty good. Wait for it to dry, give it about 2 minutes, and then we're gonna try pulling it out.
Yeah, like that.
Well, that looks the same. Ow. Oh shit, I'm bleeding. Bro. He's gonna try it. He's gonna have to make sure his fingers are not in the way, or else this is gonna happen to him.
Fuck, bro. Maybe fine. Deadass, I think that fixed it, bro.
It looks good right now, but you gotta remove the glue.
I see.
Damn, this is bad.
Ah, fuck. Honestly, though, it looks a little better, to be honest. Or is it just me?
Quick little update on the progress that I made so far within the past 4 days. I've been giving it at least 2 hours between each session. I think I just broke my heat gun. Actually, I don't know, it's coming outside, but I think it should still work. This is the update that I've been... Oh, damn, I'm stepping on everything over here. Alright guys, and like I said, I've been going at it between 4 days now, with 2 hours between each day that I've been doing it. And this is the progress that I made so far, and honestly it looks a lot better than before, and I'm going to give you guys a little before and after comparison. Put them side by side so we can see how it is, but it is noticeably smaller. I'd say about maybe like 15%. Okay, so just to wrap up my conclusion on what I think about this $35 Amazon kit plus the glue gun that I got from Michael's, and overall this whole experience on this thing, I would have to say that, you know, I would pass on any of these things, and I would not buy this again, and I do not recommend any of this Amazon kit to anybody. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a fun project to do at home and save some money, this project is not for you and is not for me. And you know, I'm just completely pass on this. I'm not gonna even put this kit in the description below. But what I am gonna do is I'm gonna end up having to call somebody from Yelp who does paintless door repairs, and they actually come to your house and they do it for about a good price. He said he was gonna do it for about $100, and I told him that's pretty reasonable and I can do that. So he's gonna have to take it. Hey! Yeah, he said he was gonna do it for about $100, and it's only gonna take me about an hour. So hopefully he's cool with that, and hopefully he'll allow me to actually film and do the progress on my car, so that way, you know, I can shout out his work, and that way it'll be a win-win for me and him. It'll be the 5th day tomorrow, and I'm looking forward to that. But until then, guys, I'll hit you up. The guy said he was about pulling up, and so let's see the damages on what they look like right now to compare the differences. There it is, man. It looks like a bullet hole. That's how deep it is. God, that's horrible.
How'd you get my number? Was it Craigslist or Yelp?
I think I found you on Craigslist, and I looked at your reviews on Yelp.
Okay.
Little update, the guy just left right now, and he actually told me that he couldn't get it to 100% completion like he wanted to, but at least he got 90% of it done, and that's what I think he did, because when I'm just walking up to the car, I really can't see it at all, and right now it's really hard for me to point it out, but yes, it was right here. You can see all the creases and lines along the door right here, and for the most part, like I said, he got most of that out, and you know, that's all I wanted for the eyesore to be completely removed, because when we stand back over here, we really don't see it at all, which was my main goal on getting that dent out, because that thing was just bugging the shit out of me. But for the most part, you know, he got everything out. He went through the door. He was using a little stick to get it out and massage it, whatever he was doing. I don't know how that works, but it is gone, man. I am so happy with it. The best part about it was he actually came to my house. I paid him $100 to get it removed, and you know, he got that work done, and I'm completely happy with it. If you liked it, if you do, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.